This is the planet Mars. It is between 6 and 20 light minutes from Earth, depending on the relative orbital positions of the two planets. It takes light, travelling at 186,000 miles per second, 6 to 20 minutes to reach us from Mars. This is the Spirit Mars rover. Scientists had to have a pretty good idea how far Mars was away to get it there. The distances are confirmed by the fact it takes twice as long for confirmation of signals sent to be received. This is Voyager. To visit the outer planets in the Grand Tour, the scientists at NASA had to know precisely how far the planets are away and precisely where they were going to be to utilize the gravitational slingshot to accelerate the probes to their next encounter. The Voyager probes are now in interstellar space, between 10 and 13 light hours away, and we still know where they are and speak to them. They have confirmed astronomical distances and positions previously measured. The scientists are pretty good at astronomical measurement. This is the Pinwheel Galaxy, which in space terms is pretty close to us. But wait a moment, it is 27 million light years away. The light we see from it now started out 27 million years ago. I know Ken Ham is rubbish with numbers, but that's much, much longer than the 6,000 years since he says the universe was created. If creationists were right, we would be able to go out at night and watch new stars appearing all over the sky as their first light reached us. It would be very pretty, but it doesn't happen. This is the Hubble Ultra Deep Field. The Hubble Space Telescope was made to stare for 14 days at a patch of sky believed to be empty, which you could cover with a pinhead held out at arm's length. The result was that there are 10,000 galaxies in this image. It is the furthest we have ever seen. Behind each pinhead area of the sky are 10,000 galaxies. For the whole sky, that would be 137 billion galaxies, with a conservative billion suns in each one of them. But for some of the objects in this image, it has taken a staggering 13 billion years for their light to reach us. Young Earth creationists often stupidly cite interfering contamination to explain away radiocarbon dating or radiometric dating. But it takes downright lying or huge misunderstanding by young Earth creationists to explain how 13 billion years is corrected to only 6,000. Ken Ham is not telling you the truth. Think outside the box, but especially outside of the book.